Hello everyone, so if you want to remove the background from photos on your iPhone 12 Pro using a built-in photo editor, first of all open up your Photos application. Now choose an object. For example, I'm gonna be using this exact wire, right? Now tap on it, and as you see, it drags, so you can drag it freely on the screen. So let's put it back, tap on it again, and now we have some options: share, add sticker, or copy. For example, you can press share, and if you want to just save it to the gallery, right, you gotta press save image. And as you see, it's appeared right in our gallery, and that's how it looks like. Of course, it's not perfect, and I recommend it adjusting it a bit in Photoshop or something, but it looks good. For example, let's drag the object again. And press share. We can share it to our notes, to save it in our notes and send as PDF file, for example, or you can use messages and send it to your contact. Alright, simply press send. Now let's check out our messages. And as you see, it will send perfectly. You can use this for your eBay or maybe for something else. There are a huge variety of options how to use that. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.